Hey, my name is Jessica DeLuca, and I'm a buying intern for junior dresses at the Dillard's West Divisional office. Every day looks a little different as a buyer. A typical day consists of looking at financials to see how each department is doing from the previous day, and other miscellaneous tasks such as color changes and style swaps. I found the link to the Dillard's internship page from the APME page that Auburn provides. I sent an email with my cover letter and resume, and we figured a time to interview. The interview was about an hour and a half over Zoom, and I talked to both Lisa Ribby, the president, and Jim Benson, the GMM. I got a call the day after saying I got the internship, and I accepted right away. What I enjoyed most about the internship is the amount of extensive work I got to be a part of, and I can proudly say that I can perform most tasks that an assistant buyer can do. The three most important things that I learned from my internship was how important communication in the workplace is, how to put my knowledge and skills into real life practice, and refining my career goals. Also, one piece of advice I would give a future intern is to ask as many questions as you can because no question is a dumb question. Thank you.